Burna Boy. Burna Boy. Jesus. You carry 7.something billion naira. Go buy car for country where 90% are living in abject poverty. 5% are living in wealth. Why the remaining 5% are womanizing? Many of them don't understand my pain. I've been through a lot for this life when I come home. I don't pass through many things. So I don't go UK. I've been to the UK. When you don't go other countries, when you go, no say these celebrities for Nigeria, they are not trying to improve to improve the life of a common man in Nigeria. For UK, when I go UK, see for their bed is small. The bed like the distance of the now from here like this to here. Their bed and somewhere like this, and their bed dey, and the bed is strong. Come to Nigeria, we are importing foam. You don't even produce foam for Nigeria. No, poor man don't go for Nigeria. No light in Nigeria. What did they finally know they work? And Burna Boy, they carry 7.something billion. You have the interest of the country at heart? No. Go and stream my song. Go and download my song on Apple Music. Now at the end of the day, while you are driving, you are riding, I'm trekking. If you get they say you are entitled to the one way they make on social media. How many people don't use your own help? Am I supposed to help you? Where the camera come? Not be food be this. Eh? Buy keke for boys. Boys need keke. I won't ride keke guy. I won't match keke. Buy keke for me. Sure. Buy keke for me.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.